little gigglers! Welcome to Rhymes and Giggles, nursery babies. Today we're playing with the traffic light song. Are you ready? Let's go! Traffic light flashes with sparkle sound. Red light says stop. Red light says stop, stop, stop. Little feet go pop, pop, pop. Freeze your body, don't you drop. When it's red, we always stop. Hey! Yellow light says slow down. Move like turtles all around. Tiptoe soft, don't make a sound. Yellow means slow down. Got a green light,